My dear students, I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty God and you are spending your time well at home and learning the lessons what I have given in the last class. In the last two classes, I had discussed Chapter 5, Modesty, Decency and Priority. So today we will practice and learn the question answer, especially the short questions and the matching column, fill in the blanks, and the multiple choice questions from the chapter 5 modesty, decency and priority. Let's see. So today's lesson, chapter 5 modesty, decency and priority. So today we'll solve the questions from 1 to 4 from the chapter 5. So fill in the blanks. The first one is the arms teacher of Yudhishthir and Duryodhan was, you know that. What is the answer? The answer is Dronacharya. The second one, Yudhishthir did not forget to show what? Decency. Decency at warfield. They were in a warfield and he didn't forget to show decency. Number C, giving another person an advantage is called. What is called? It's called priority. So what is the answer? Priority. The giving priority to others is a quality of which person? A good person or pious person? Pious means religious person. Pious means religious person. Then the next one can become patient and generous by giving priority to others. So I had discussed about it from your textbook in the last two classes. And what can a man get by giving priority to others? He can be patient and generous. Then the matching columns. See the first one, a decent person is loved by all. So a decent person who is honest, who gives priority to others, who is polite, who is sincere. So this type of person will be always loved by others. So if you are a decent person, you know the quality of a decent person, and if you are a decent person, then you will be loved by others always. Then the second one, an impolite person is opposite to a polite person. So a polite person who is polite in his words, in his gesture and his moods also. So a impolite person is opposite of a polite person. We should behave with the youngers. How we should behave with the youngers? We should behave with the youngers politely. Ask questions with modesty. Modesty means in soft voice, in tone. You must not be harsh, very harsh with others. When you will ask questions to your teachers, especially the elderly persons, you must show modesty. You will use your soft tone and you ask it politely to the others. Giving others advantage is called what? Priority. You know that. The giving others advantage is called priority. So let's see the next topic, which is multiple choice question. So it is all about from your textbook. So modesty is a part of what? So guess it was. So manner, pride, education and work. So it's colored black here. So it is the right answer. So modesty is a part of manner. Modesty is a part of manner. Then the second one, what are they who get very angry easily? So you can see this type of person all around you. Those who get angry very easily and they are not polite, they are not using soft tones and they are always impolite. And they are talking with others in a harsh voice with the elders and the youngers also. So what are they who get angry easily? So can you guess the answer? What is the answer right answer? So see, the options are gentle, polite, proud and impolite. So the black colored one is the right answer. So what are they who get angry easily? They are the impolite person. They are not polite. They use their tone harshly. They speaks with others in a harsh voice. So they are impolite. The next one, number C. So what is expressed by our conduct and dress up? So by your conduct and dress up, what can you express? So guess the right answer. So the first one, the option is civility, then second one is wealth, then third one is decency, and fourth one is education. So what is expressed by our conduct and dress up? So by our conduct and dress up we can express decency. Then the next one, number D, who showed the decency in the Mahabharata? So who showed, you know the answer, who showed the decency in Mahabharata? So the right answer is Yudhishthir. So who showed decency in the Mahabharata? Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, or Yudhishthir. So black color is one is the right answer. So Yudhishthir showed the decency in Mahabharata. Then the next one is, to whom did Yudhishthir show decency? সে কার কাছে আসলে নম্রতা প্রকাশ বা ভদ্রতা প্রকাশ করেছিল? So what is the answer? You can guess. Sri Krishna, Bhishma, then the next one Indra and Dronacharya. So to whom did Yudhishthir show decency? So to Bhishma, his grandfather. Whose grandfather? Yudhishthir's grandfather. In the war field, he went to the opposition to show his gratitude to his grandfather and his arms teacher also. So to whom did Yudhishthir show decency? So to Bhishma, Yudhishthir show decency. So then the next topic is the short questions. So how many short questions are there? There are 5 short questions. The first one is, what does modesty mean? I discussed it deeply in the first class, and it was also the first topic of the chapter. So you know that what does modesty mean. So modesty means manifestation of humbleness in behavior. In your behavior you must show the softness. You must show the softness in your voice, in your dress up, in your moves, in your sitting, in your work. You must show modesty. So modesty means manifestation of humbleness in your behavior, softness in your behavior. Then the next one, what is the way of expressing decency? So in the last class I discussed decency and priority and a story from the textbook according to the religious point of view. So what is the way of expressing decency? So we can express decency by our moves, word and dress up. So when you are moving, so move slowly and give path to the younger and the elder also. So word, when you will talk with others, speaking with other people, elderly person or a younger person, you must use your soft voice or soft tone in your behavior. You must not talk or speak with others harshly. And also dress up. We must dress up very nicely. It's not mean that you must need to wear the nice or costly uniform or dress. Whatever you have, you need to use the dress or wear the dress in a proper way, in a proper manner, not in a shabby. The dress is dirty, so it is not the proper way. Number 2, what does the word priority mean? In the last session or last class I discussed priority. So priority means what? Priority means to allow someone to have their facilities first. That means when you are going to take advantage from a word, so give the advantage to others first, not to take the advantage yourself first. So it is called priority. The priority means to allow someone to have their facilities first. So you are late, you must not go forward to take the facility first. So according to the rule, follow the rule, the who first, he will take the priority in a priority basis. He will get the facility first. Who is last, he will get the or she will get the facility last. So if you are reaching somewhere or going somewhere, they are late and you are asking the facility for the first, it is very illegal and it is totally unethical. So you must not do that. If someone is giving the priority to you, but you must not take it, you should follow the priority rule. So priority means to allow someone to have their facilities or advantages first. Then where and whom did Yudhishthir show his decency? In the last fill in multiple choice, you already just know the answer. There was the answer. So in the word field, Yudhishthir showed decency to grandfather Bhishma and his arms teacher Dronacharya. So I just mentioned whose name? Bhishma's name. But here he showed decency to two persons. One is his grandfather Bhishma and another his arms teacher Dronacharya. And the last one, be meek like a glass, who said? So in the textbook it's mentioned, who said be like a glass. Sri Chaitanya Dev said, be meek like a glass. It's clear that who said be meek like a glass. So Sri Chaitanya Dev said, be meek like a glass. So that is all about for today. I discussed the filling the blanks, the multiple matching column, multiple choice questions, and also the short questions. So I discussed today the 4 different question pattern from the textbook, and it is homework for you, home task for you to learn the topics at home. So it is not that what answer I mentioned here you need to learn or memorize them exactly. So it is better than try yourself to make the answer. Try yourself. So if it is logical and according to the textbook, then it will be the perfect answer. But multiple choice question, fill in the blanks, and the matching is not changeable. But short questions, you can arrange the answer by yourself, whatever you like. But it must be logical. So you have a home task. Home task will be question answer 1 to 4 from page 36 and 37. Learn them, and in the next class I will discuss the broad question from chapter 5. Till then, be happy, learn the lesson, stay at home, listen to your parents, and follow the health issues. So see you in the next session or next class. Bye bye, take care.